Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Flowing through a quiet, forested valley in Kootenay National Park, the Simpson River winds its way through one of the less visited corners of the Canadian Rockies. The river eventually joins the larger Kootenay River, carrying cold mountain water down from the surrounding peaks. Along its banks, dense forests and steep mountain slopes create a peaceful setting where the natural landscape remains largely unchanged. The Simpson River is named after George Simpson, an influential figure in the Canadian fur trade during the early 1800s. Simpson served as governor of the Hudson's Bay Company for many years and oversaw a vast network of trading posts across northern North America. During this era, rivers like the Simpson and nearby mountain passes were important routes for exploration and trade through the rugged terrain of the Rocky Mountains. Long before European explorers arrived, the valleys and rivers of this region were part of traditional travel routes used by indigenous peoples for thousands of years. The area lies within the traditional territory of the Kootenay Nation. These mountain corridors were used for hunting, gathering, and seasonal movement between the interior valleys and the eastern slopes of the Rockies. The Simpson River Valley also became important during the early development of transportation routes through the Rockies. The nearby Banff-Windermere Highway was constructed in the early 1900s as part of an agreement between the federal government and the province of British Columbia. When the road was completed, the surrounding landscape was protected as Kootenay National Park, helping preserve the natural beauty of the valley and its rivers. Today, the Simpson River continues to flow through a landscape shaped by glaciers, rivers, and time. Visitors passing through the area may notice the clear rushing water, the tall evergreen forests, and the quiet sense of wilderness that still defines much of this park. Stretching across the rugged spine of the Canadian Rockies, Kootenay National Park offers a striking contrast of landscapes in a relatively compact area. Located in southeastern British Columbia, the park forms part of the larger Canadian Rocky Mountain Park's UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors traveling through the park quickly notice how the scenery changes, from dry open forests in the west to steep alpine peaks, glaciers, and deep river valleys. This remarkable diversity of environments makes the park one of the most visually varied destinations in the Canadian Rockies. Kootenay National Park was officially established in 1920 as part of an agreement between the federal government and the province of British Columbia. At the time, the province agreed to build a highway through the mountains if Canada would protect the surrounding land as a national park. The result was the scenic Banff-Windermere Highway, which still serves as the main route through the park today. This historic road helped open the region to tourism and provided a vital connection between the communities on either side of the Rockies. Wildlife is another defining feature of Kootenay National Park. The park's varied ecosystems support animals ranging from American black bear and grizzly bear to bighorn sheep and elk. Because the Banff-Windermere Highway runs through prime wildlife habitat, visitors are often reminded to drive carefully and watch for animals along the roadside. These mountains and valleys form an important corridor that allows wildlife to move between different parts of the Rockies. Today, Kootenay National Park remains a place where natural beauty, history, and conservation meet. Whether visitors are exploring canyons, hiking alpine trails, or simply driving through the dramatic mountain scenery, the park offers a glimpse into the power of nature that shaped the Canadian Rockies over millions of years. Protected as part of Canada's national park system and the broader Rocky Mountain World Heritage landscape, this remarkable area continues to inspire travelers from around the world.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.